Hey guys, Richard Routson here. Got a Chevy Camaro with a vinyl wrap on the fender. Pretty decent sized dent. We're gonna fix it with paintless dent repair. So let's take a look. All right, so a very cool car. It's got a custom flat, matte colored vinyl wrap. Decent sized dent. Fix this with paintless dent repair, no body work required. I'm trying to fix it without taking the wrap off. That'd be ideal. However, this is a pretty complex dent, so might have to peel that section off. So stay tuned. We'll show you the end result. Okay, all done. Camaro Z71, dent in the fender. Got a vinyl wrap here, matte gray. We're able to fix this damage. Did not have to remove the wrap. Basically just got behind there and resculpted the metal. Made it look like new. Well, aside from the scuffs and scratches, but this client plans on rewrapping this car soon, so when he does, it'll look good as new. Thanks for watching.